I just thought I'd show you. So here we go. So I've got all my sort of spare guitars here. A little pink one here. There's my Yamaha Acoustic. I've got a left-handed guitar here, which my daughter's learning on currently. I've got another little guitar in here. In here is my effects pedal. So it's a Boss ME80. It's a really good multi-effects pedal. Got my Fender Strat in here, which I'll be playing tonight. It's a polar white electric guitar. And then I've got another spare electric here, which is a Ridgewoods. I think I picked this one up for about £30 from a charity shop. Works fine, great as a second guitar. And then here's a bass guitar here, which I've got, so I do a little bit of that as well. And then my amp, which is an orange Super Crush 100. Yeah, fantastic amp, packs a real punch when you play live, so I'll be also taking that as well. Got a little RockJam Keyboard here, which my kids were using to learn. It kind of sits down here now because we don't really have the space in the kitchen where it was. And then here's my sort of setup for when I do recording at home. So I've got this little Presonus Studio 24C and then 2 KRK speakers as well. And then I've got a laptop which I would normally connect up. So yeah, this is my studio. I just wanted to show you. And then what I'll do is another video for how I actually go about relearning these 22 songs for tonight, which would be interesting. All right, speak to you soon. Thanks.